My name is Rahul Mishra and today's topic is de-serialization. In last topic we see that how to serialize the data. So this was an example. Now we will see today how can we de-serialize. So there is so many ways to de-serialize, but we will start with the easiest way. Then we will go with the advanced level to learn those things. For the demo purpose, I mocked local API and this is always it will give us a response and we will de-serialize this data. So let's start those things. So first we will call this and save the response. So response, okay, we can set the RestAssured.base URL and copy. This is get call, so very simple. Response dot given dot get fine. We are calling get and this is my local mock, so no need to provide header and other thing. It is fine. So first we how to read those things. So we have one model for that, and I already added a getter setter, and if we no need to add getter and setters there because we have a data. So for demo purpose, reducing the time, so we'll use this one and adding a color code is equal to new okay, not new. Here we need to read from the response dot body, or you can use the get body as which tag, because it's a very simple one example. So we need to directly provide the color code dot class and nothing else, and we can print system dot println color code dot get color. And now when I run it, you will see the color code will get the red is if you want to print the other value, you can print the value and you will get this red value here. So red value, this is a very simple way to de-serialize, but now we'll go with little bit advanced and then we'll show at the end the advanced topic. This other way to de-serialize is, so same example, color code. So we will use the Google's library. So this is JSON. This is from the Google JSON. Is equal to new JSON, and color code is equal to we use the Google's JSON dot form JSON, and here in first step you need to read the response. So response is in response then dot extract the path. In path you need to provide the base and convert it into a string, and which form in color dot class. So we have a response and we come in it a similar way. We'll print those response, get value and another class get color. So let's run and we can see two responses get printed. So read value. So this is another simplest way and fastest way to convert those things. So most of the time people are using this one because we are directly converting, but I'll show you how second way to how to do this thing. But nowadays we are not getting always this type of responses. We have a very different type of responses, having array, list and those things. So you can see example here, it is square bracket, it's an array and we are getting response and response. So how to use this thing, we'll go ahead with this. So we'll using JSON 3. So JSON 3, okay. So we'll create another method, or we can use, no, we will go ahead with another one. I have to comment it. No need to comment it, even it is not impacting anything. Test and public void test 3, test 2. It's just for no purpose here. So first we need to call this, and this is also get. because I created this JSON 3, just confirming. Yeah, so here we will hit those things. Now we need to create a method, data building, color and values. This is very simple, but only different thing is array. So we'll start it with this thing. So this is an array, so we need to create a color code array, color codes, because multiple responses are coming, so that's why a little bit naming as the previous one, which we use is very similar, right? And here, because we are getting so we need to provide color codes array class, and you can print the length of that, but I'm not going with this. I will show you how to proceed with. So list, and here is color code codes arrays as list color code. Okay, as we need to provide the value color code. And let's print this value for color codes. We need C into the code, this one, and system and C dot get color, and let's print that one. Get value. When I ran it, you can see it's readed all the values. So here it was first chunk is this, second is this, so this is a array, so that's why we get the list here. So this is a one way. Another way, I told you I will show you. There are other more ways, but I picked the easiest one just for the demo purpose. Color code, and most of common use so response dot get body or body, both are fine. JSON path dot get list base, similar. This is very pretty similar the second one example we use. We got these values and color codes dot class converted into color dot class, and we will use our example to print. Let's run it. Yeah, now this is the second way to print those things. So this is a very example, and if you have confusion why I'm doing dot and part, so I'm creating a new video for the next chapter so that you can learn, and I will provide so many details there. Thank you.